Welcome back to Inside Bono Hair Factory, a production deep dive. In Chapter 3, we're taking a closer look at a step that's often overlooked, but critical to final quality: hair preparation and sorting. Everything starts in our raw hair warehouse. Here, you'll see bundles of 100% real human hair, carefully categorized by length and color. Only hair that meets our standards for quality, consistency, and natural movement moves forward. Next comes hair allocation. After the front section is prepared, our technicians begin matching hair to each individual order. Based on detailed requirements, hair type, color, length, and even specific gray hair percentages, they calculate the exact weight needed and carefully blend different hair batches. This step ensures accuracy and consistency before ventilation begins. Then, we move into hair sorting, also known as grading. This process serves several purposes: blending colors evenly, achieving the correct gray ratio, maintaining natural hair flow, and, just as importantly, removing impurities and short or damaged strands. By the end of this stage, the hair is clean, balanced, and ready for the next production steps. This is where quality control truly begins, long before the hair is ever tied onto a base. Stay tuned for the next chapter, where we continue breaking down how premium hair systems are made, step by step.